everybody, it's Christina here at Southland RV, and today we're checking out the Grand Design Reflection 322 FKTS. On the inside, starting off with your kitchen, you've got a 16 cubic foot fridge. That's plenty of space on both sides. You've got this little lip on your counter so that you could sit down, as well as a hidden pet dish with bowls. Some storage on this side, as well as overhead storage there, a pantry here, and some more storage here, as well as a pull-out built-in trash can, your 3-burner stove, and oven, as well as a microwave and sink with a beautiful view. Over here you've got 3 recliners. Just pull this little lever and they pop right out, right across from your TV. They come with cup holders, some overhead lighting, and big beautiful windows to see outside. On this side, you have a private bedroom with a sliding door, a king-size bed with an adjacent desk and plenty of storage. This desk window also does have an awning you can pull down. You've also got a private bath with glass shower doors and a little lock to keep it in place when you're traveling. Your sink and mirror. Plenty of storage. And room for a washer and dryer. Come check out this amazing unit today here at Southland RV.